Hello students, how are you? Dear student, in previous video we discussed Duvenier traits, the classification of elements according to Duvenier, and this person represent a traits to make a set, and each set represents three elements, and every first and last elements atomic masses are added and divided by 2. So this is the approximately atomic mass of second number of elements. Now today we discuss Newland law of octavets. So John Newlands, an English scientist, arranged the known elements in the order of increasing atomic masses and called it the law of octavet. It is known as Newland's law of octavets. That means it's also this law of octavets to depend on the atomic masses, increasing order of atomic masses. And especially the characteristics of Newland's law of octavets, it contains the elements from hydrogen to thorium. Hydrogen to thorium. Number 2, properties of every 8 elements were similar to that of the first elements. It means just a music rhymes sa re ga ma pa dha ni sha. So sa is again repeat after 7, means first sa, then re, then ga, then ma, then pa, then da, sa re ga ma pa da ni. Again repeat sa. And in English rhymes do re mi fa so la thai. So it is a system to base on this music sare gama padhanisha, and according to this law every elements means it's a character, every 8 numbers of elements are similarities character or similar characters so to first elements according to Newlands. Suppose the first elements is hydrogen, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. After that oxygen, fluorine. So fluorine, according to Newlands, fluorine is similar to hydrogen. And next row after sulfur, chlorine. So chlorine is similar to fluorine. After next row, chlorine, potassium, calcium, chromium, helium, manganese, and iron. So after iron, cobalt and nickel. So these types of elements are similar character, similar properties to chlorine. Means in SA tables, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, cobalt, nickel, and barium. Sorry, bromine. And Ray in this table, lithium, sodium, potassium, copper, and rubidium. Ga, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, zinc, strontium. Ma, boron, aluminium, chromium, iridium, and lithium. Pa, carbon, silicon, helium, indium, and germanium. The nitrogen, phosphorus, manganese, and arsenic. And Ni, oxygen, sulfur, iron, and selenium. So these types of elements in every row all the elements, according to Newlands, all the elements are similar properties. Means every 8 elements. Suppose in we discuss to second law. So lithium is a first, then beryllium second, boron third, carbon fourth, nitrogen fifth, oxygen sixth, fluorine seven. After that, sodium. So sodium is a similar properties or similar character to lithium. So this is the all row. To each row, every elements are similar their properties or character according to Newlands. So again, I recap the law. An John Dalton, an English scientist, arranged the known elements in the order of increasing atomic masses, and it's called it the law of octavets, and it is known as Newland's law of octavets. And the characteristics of Newland's law of octavets, it contains the elements from hydrogen to thorium, means this all elements arranged to this types of table. And second law, properties of every 8 elements were similar to that of the first elements. Okay, so this is the law of Newlands. In next video, we discuss the limitation of Newlands law. Okay, thank you.